actually we walk. You can walk all the way through all those boulders. There's a trail that goes through them. You walk through them.
On land?
Yeah, you walk all through there. There's little pockets of water in there and stuff.
Dad, didn't you tell me that? You showed me like 20 videos.
I know. I said, watch this.
You're gonna love this, Mary.
I think I'm gonna run into Jesus when I get on the plane. He's glad. There he is, walking. Oh, he's walking on the water. There he is. I'm in heaven. You know what's funny though is.
Oh, that boy's rocking.
Mary. I think I'm gonna run into
He's just working his way into this is the Devil's Beach here. This is the beach that you end up walking. Oh man, that's massive. That's one that has like 3 bedrooms, 3 or 4 bedrooms. Devil's Beach is over here. That's the beach that you come in at.
Yeah. You call
And
over
then
there
go
we
through
did the
rocks,
OHIO.
and then the really nice beach is over here.
Right. Be my baby now. This is at the end, once we went through all the caves.
I don't know exactly. Maybe just pulling in here and then.
Water clear right here, Mom?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Get your butt up and look at it. You can see the bottom.
Hi, Dizzle. Hi, buddy.
He can't swim. He can swim.
I was just teasing.
Swim.
Look at these people up on a rock. There's a lot of people here already. This got to be one of the biggest tourist attractions in the BVI, yeah?
This is all volcanic. All these rocks, volcanic formed. Yeah, bud.
We have to get out.
I'm just gonna...
Oh, Bill. As beautiful as you remember?
Pretty much. What's all that stuff? What's all that stuff on the beach there?
Probably.
It's laying on the ground?
Well, good thing we have the GoPro.
Do you remember over on another beach for rock slab?
I'm not going to take my camera over there. No, I don't know. He may be able to. I don't know. Maybe we take one of those little boats in. Maybe those are left for us. Hey, Tommy, quit playing with your head.
Photobomb.
We swim in? Yeah.
Should we get like
No docks. Unless you went to the ferry dock. You can't even dock at the main dock.
Mom, you'll have to tread lightly.